Hello, my name is Girleni Guerrero Córdoba. English phone is Task 5 Video Tutorial. Wall of the consonant sounds. Consonant sound, manner, policies, beat is bilabial, made by the lips. Example, beep, beep, beep. The place articulation bilabial occurs when both lips. The consonant is voiced because it is for when the air that makes the vocal cord vibrate pops freely the mouth. For example, bub, bubble, wood, rub. As we can see in the following image, the two lips are to produce the sound. Image. Continue. Consonant sound manner fricates. Glottal ip. Made by the glottis. In essential glottis consonants are made by the throat. Example, hit, hit, hit. Is voicers which mean they produce wide the vibrato of the vocal cords. The place and form of articulation, glottal. For example, hit, hill, hello. As we can see in the following image, the X show that the sound is giving us a sit. Image. Continue. Consonant sound manner plosives. T. Alveolar, made by the tip of the tongues and the area just between the top tips. Example, tone, tone, tone. Is voiced because in the wide high vibration of the vocal cords, including or not the total or partial interruption, the flow on air leaving the lungs. The place for articulations, alveolar, occurs while the tips of the alveolar rise. Or for example, ting, ting, ting. You can see in the following image the tip of the tongue, those the initial parts of tush or the alveolar parts the produce on the sound. Ting. Imams. Thank you.